Good morning. I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day. I'm Shankar Singh. I've been teaching English and social science in Infant Jesus. I'm very happy that I got the opportunity to speak a few lines on this auspicious occasion, Children's Day. I like this day a lot. Children's Day has always been special for me because I like to be surrounded by the children whenever I enter the class. Whenever I enter the class, I like my students whenever they appreciate me and whenever they get something, whatever I have taught. So I am the person who always like to be surrounded by the students. I'm very happy. Without my students, I am nothing. See here now. So if I talk about the Children's Day, I have to speak a few words on this auspicious occasion, Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on every 14th November in our country, India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is well known for his love for roses and children. He said, the children of today will make India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up determine the future of the country. November 14 is celebrated as the Children's Day every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru considered children as the real strength of the nation. Once he said, children are like buds in a garden. So, we should carefully and lovingly nurture them as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow's India. The reason behind this Children's Day celebration is to increase the awareness of rights, care and education of children. Here, on this auspicious day, on this special day, I would like to share some of the rights of children according to the Constitution of our country, India. So it includes right to free and compulsory elementary education for the children from the age group of 6 to 14 years. Okay? Here, right to be protected from any hazardous employment, right to early childhood care and education, right to be protected from abuse. So, we can make our nation better if children are guided and they are encouraged to walk onto the right path. So, only through the right education of the children, a better society can be built up. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So, it's everyone's responsibility to bring them up with love and care. So, let's all support them and make a better nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and Happy Children's Day again. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.